Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and type device manager, then click here to open it. Now we need to expand sounds, video and game controllers. Then right click on and open its properties. Okay, now go to drivers tab and simply update drivers. Click on next, select yes, and that's it. Now we need to close this window. Now check the problem is solved or not. If not, then restart your system. After that, again go back to device manager, type here device manager and click here to open it. Again expand sound, video and game controller, right click on it and just uninstall these drivers, and again restart your system. After that, right click on sounds and troubleshoot sound problems, then check this option. Now close this. Now enable this option, click on apply and try these all changes on your system. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.